are in beautiful Bahamas, and on the boat today I am going to be making chicken feet. It's something that I used to eat when I was little. I really don't know how to make it. I've never done it before, so I've kind of taken a recipe. I'm gonna try it out for the first time. I'm gonna take it slow and hopefully it turns out tasting good. So here we go. The first thing I'm going to do is turn on my stove, my propane burner here. Once my pan is done heating up, I'm gonna pour some oil. This is my last bit of oil. I don't usually use oil. When I do, I use olive oil, but I had this vegetable oil here, and this is the last bit of it. So I'm gonna put the garlic. I'm gonna put garlic in there and some onions. See how fast the garlic's getting brown? Alright, I made sure to rinse this, clean it off. Now we're going to add some salt. Mix it up nicely. And we're going to add some crushed peppers. Just going to mix it up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the rest of the onions. And some water, about half a cup. If it's a little bit more, it's okay. So half a cup of water, and we're gonna cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Say hi. See, I'm helping mommy cook. Yeah, yes you are. Yes you are, cutie. I'm just checking up on the chicken feet as they boil. I've set my timer for 10 to 15 minutes. Well, I've actually set it for 10 minutes. And you can see that the water that I added is getting thick and it's just cooking. So we're gonna wait till the time is finished before we move on to the next step, which is where we're gonna add the soy sauce. Well, actually it's tamari and some vinegar. I'm also going to add some sazon goya, which is just just some flavor, some Caribbean flavor to it. The original recipe did not call for that, but I want to add it. You don't have to. You can just do it with the salt and pepper, vinegar, and soy sauce. So, all right. So 10 minutes has passed, and now we are going to add the soy sauce. The recipe called for half a cup, but I only did 1/4 cup because I don't want it too salty. We're also going to add my seasoning. The sazon seasoning to give it some color and some flavor. Now I'm just going to mix it with the tamari sauce. Tamari is supposed to have less sodium than soy sauce, but you can, you obviously can buy some sodium low sodium soy sauce to put in there. I just have tamari because I like cooking with it, so that's what I've used. The next step is to add the vinegar. The recipe calls for half a cup of vinegar, so we're gonna add half a cup of vinegar. And we are going to mix it all up. Just mix it all up. I just taste it. It tastes really good. So once that's done, we're going to cover it again and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to lower the temp on this because it gets so hot. Let's see. I'm going to cook some butternut squash to go along with the feet. I love butternut squash, and I think it has a little sweetness to it that kind of balances the vinegar taste that I'm gonna have with the feet. So I'm gonna cook that. Not really gonna show you how to make it. I'm just gonna roast it in the pan here with some salt and pepper until it's cooked. And yeah, and it's starting to rain. I have about 5 minutes left on the chicken and the chicken feet, and look at it. It's starting to look good. And about 10 to 15 minutes have passed, and my chicken feet look done. So I turned off my stove, and now all I'm waiting for is my squash, and they look like they're almost done too. They look soft, so we'll see. And there you have it, guys. This is the finished meal. I can't wait to try it. It looks good. So excited.